How to unlock keyboard in any PC or laptop. Hey everybody, if your keyboard is not working or locked on a PC or laptop, it could be due to a software or a function key or settings. So here's how to unlock it safely. So check if your keyboard is physically locked. You can try pressing Fn plus ESC to toggle it back on and try typing again. Also check ease of access settings. So press Windows plus I for that. Look out for accessibility. And within there, go to keyboard, find keyboard, and make sure that the sticky keys, filter keys, and the toggle keys are turned off. Also, you can restart your keyboard driver, press Windows plus X for that. Look out for device manager, hit enter, and find your keyboard here. Once you find a keyboard, you can right click on it, select the option for, disable device or install driver or update driver, and go ahead and download the latest driver for your keyboard on your Windows. And you can restart your PC once it is done. Also check if your external keyboard works. Plug in a USB keyboard if you have one. If it works, then your laptop keyboard might be physically faulty. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow up for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.